Hello, today we will guide you through how to change name in XM account. If you need to update the name on your XM account, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the main XM page to the section where you can review and edit your personal details. As you follow along, make sure you're logged into the correct account and double check any changes before saving them so your information stays accurate and consistent. To begin, go to XM. Once the website loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page and fully signed in. If the page looks slightly different from what you expect, that can happen from time to time due to updates in the platform layout, but the general navigation should still be very similar. Next, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This profile area is where XM keeps access to your account-related options, so it's the main place to start whenever you need to adjust your personal settings or account preferences. After opening the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the section where your account configuration and personal account options are organized. If you see several categories listed, don't worry. We'll go directly to the one that contains your identity details. From there, click on Personal Information. This section usually includes the key information linked to your account, such as the personal details you originally used when setting it up. It's a good idea to review this area carefully, especially if you're updating something as important as your name. Once you're inside Personal Information, click on Personal Details. This is the specific area where your name information can be viewed and adjusted. Depending on the account type or verification status, some fields may be editable right away, while others may require extra review. Now edit your information here, update your name carefully so it matches your official documents exactly, especially if your account requires identity verification. Even a small mismatch can sometimes lead to delays later. So take your time and make sure everything is entered correctly. Before finishing, review all the updated details one more time to confirm there are no spelling errors or missing information. Accurate account details are important for smooth account management and verification. Once everything looks correct, you can proceed with saving or submitting the updated information, depending on what XM shows on your screen. That's it. You've now seen how to navigate to the Name Edit section in your SEM account and update your personal details correctly.